My name is Dr. Bryan Deptula. What I did was I went through and I evaluated all the current literature on leader development. I learned about how adults learn, and using adult learning theory, I looked at what elements are being discussed and how we can apply that in the workplace. Okay? And it's not like I'm making this stuff up. This is sound pedagogical technique based on research. What it says is that people will learn better if they have an opportunity to experiment. What do researchers say is best practice? How do we develop leaders here and in your organization? Is how to be a leader, what your leadership brand is, how to develop a network of developers, what you would consider mentors, how to plan your career based on your goals, the things that you want to achieve and the things you want to accomplish. Self-concept as a leader, leader best practices, and then practice makes permanent. And they're going to do that under the overarching umbrella of critical thinking. Critical thinking is a process that can be broken down into steps made of various components that, when put together in a system, create a pattern of analysis and thought that will help you analyze not just decisions, but your entire quality of life, the way that you approach people and situations and meetings and information gathering and data. All of that will help be shaped by the way that you think. I want you to make an effort to be the best version of you that you can be. Will help you look inside yourself in a way that you probably have not done yet in your life. And in that, you're going to reflect on who you are, how you got to be the way that you are in both your life and your management and leadership role, and who you will become. And in that process, you're going to realize a lot of things about yourself that you may not like. You are going to start to see where you can grow. And I'm going to help shape you and help you learn how to lead in a positive way so that you can go out and help others learn from you. The best way to learn is to teach. So I'm teaching you how to teach others. First, we're going to learn how to learn, and now I'm going to teach you how to teach. My expectation of you and your expectation of yourself, and those two things should be consistent, because when I expect more of you, then that transfers over, and the idea is that you will expect more of yourself. You are your own projects. Okay? So the fact that you're here means that you have in some way put yourself in a position to succeed in life, right? And you're seeking the development. You want the change inside yourself. You're looking for something that will actually help you be a better leader or a better manager. And then in turn, you would like for that to help promote your career in a positive way, correct? All right. I'm going to help you do that. Understand that you can articulate yourself in a professional way that is cogent, concise, and insightful. I'm going to help you, and you're going to succeed. There is no fear of failure here. What I'm saying is, once you go to the training, how do I apply it? So what this does is it takes the training, essentially what we're doing in here, and we're making suggestions for people who go through the training. Okay, now you've done the training. What do you do in your work role? That's it. That's all we're saying. It sounds like fancy language, but it's basically saying transfer the learning from the classroom to the boardroom. Is post-intervention effectiveness evaluation. What's that mean? Did it work? We're saying here's what it is. Here's how we measure it. We do a training. Then we go and we actually do the stuff that we learned in the training. And then we evaluate whether we're doing it well. In other words, there was a starting point. And did we actually see change?